Hi guys, welcome again in Adobe Illustrator 2020 course. Today we have a simple and easy tool. It is rotation tool. Let's starting. Rotate tool is used for rotate anything in your project, like shapes or text. All of us know the simple way to rotate from the corner, like this. If I make a rectangle, I can stop on the corner and rotate. But rotate tool is more professional and we can make a beautiful designs like that we will make today. Now for example I have this shape and I want to rotate it. I have two ways to rotate. The first one is select rotate tool and choose the reference point to rotation. Like this, can change any point. The reference point can be in the shape or out it. Now I will choose this point and start rotating like this, and again the shift button makes the shape move 45 degrees. I can make the reference point out the shape and rotate. The second way is by write the degree of rotation by yourself. I will double click on the rotate tool and write the degree like 30, and now I have two options. OK for rotate the shape, or copy to make a new shape by the new angle. I will click on copy. Now I make a new shape by the new angle. To repeat this action, click on Ctrl plus D. And now I can decrease the opacity to see this design. To change the reference point but with open the window to write the degree, click on Alt button like this. I will make an ellipse and click on rotate. Click on Alt and you choose the rotation point like this, and now choose the degree, click copy, Ctrl D to repeat, and decrease the opacity. The second tool with us today is a scale tool. This tool is used for increasing or decreasing the size of shapes. For example, I have this rectangle and I want to scale it. I will choose the rectangle and double click on the scale tool. Here I have the scale I want to increase or decrease, like 150, and I can decrease the scale like 50. The second option is to make a scale for the horizontal and make another scale for the vertical like this. I can only decrease or increase the horizontal like 100 and the vertical like 70. The third option here is scale corners, to increase or decrease the corners with the scale or not, like this. Now I scale the corners. And the last thing here, scale strokes for the border of the shape. You can scale it or not. And again I can make OK for the scale or copy for make a new shape with the scale. The third tool with us today is reflect tool. This tool make an effect like a mirror, like this. Select this text and choose reflect tool, double click. I can make an reflect vertical or horizontal, and I can choose the angle of reflect, and again I can make OK for make a reflection, or copy for make a new object or new text with the new reflection. The last tool today is share tool. This tool make an italic effect like this. For example, select this text and double click on share tool. You have here the angle of effect, and the second one you have the axis of effect. You can make it horizontal or vertical, or you can make a new axis by yourself from here, and again OK for make an effect, or copy to make a new object by the new effect.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.